Hey, how you doing? Justin here for a look at the songs that would be great for you to work on for your Lesson 9 practice. And yes, I filmed this a little later. All this stubble didn't just spring up all of a sudden. I just forgot to film this lesson and went, oh, I've got to do that one, and I haven't shaved, so excuse my scruffy appearance. So at least I'm wearing the same jumper. Now, the good news is that there are loads and loads of songs that use regular open chords and include the F chord. There may have been a few that you stumbled upon on the way that you've gone, oh, I'd like to learn that song, but it's got an F chord in it. I can't check it out now. You want to find songs that you really enjoy. So that's really got to be the focus. Try and find some songs that you love that use the F chord or the F major 7 chord and your regular open chords as well that you know already. The more fun the song is for you, the more likely you're going to practice it, the more you'll enjoy working on the F chord. Now, the ones I picked were You Can't Always Get What You Want by the Rolling Stones, just because it's C to F major 7 most of the way through, a little bit of D chord in there as well. House of the Rising Sun, which is a really great one because it's got the D to the F chord in it. It's in 6/8 time, but it's fairly fast tempo, so I've just been, or Nitzad's just been doing 2 strums to the bar. It's also a good one because we're going to look at it a little bit further down the way for doing some finger styles, so it's a good one to kind of have had a little bit of a sneaky look at beforehand. Californication, because we're doing the riff this lesson, you know, learning the rest of the chords for that song might not be a bad idea. It's got plenty of like mini F in that one as well. One by U2 is a nice one if you want to get into using the F major 7. Okay, so that one specifically uses that chord. It uses some sus chords as well, which is something we're going to talk a bit about later in the course. So again, that's one that you might expand on a little bit further on down the way. But there really are, there's so many songs that you could find that use like C, F, and G. Right, it's like almost any of the songs that used A, D, and E that we looked at earlier in the course in the beginner grade 1, you could transform and use C, F, and G for as well. So there really are an unbelievably huge amount of songs that you've got to choose from. I will add some more in the lesson, but again, the most important in the text part on the website, that is. You know, try and find the ones that you like. That really is the key thing when you're learning songs. The more you can find the bands that you love and the songs that affect you, the more inspired you're going to be to practice, especially when they've got something tricky in them like the F chord. So good luck with that. See you for more very soon. Bye-bye.